All right, this is Chad and Dalton from Coyote Classics here in Green, Iowa. And behind us, this is a 1968 Fairlane 500 Fastback. All right, Chad, why don't you hop in there and fire this thing up? And it just smokes just a little bit, so it might need some valve guides or something like that. Just a good survivor car.
It definitely is. It's got 71,855 miles. Previous owners owned it for a long time, 20-some years. And the biggest thing with this car is it's pretty much 100% rust-free.
Awesome.
It's a fantastic car.
Yeah, I was extremely impressed with the undercarriage on this thing when we got it up in the air. And I like the color too. What is it, like a blue diamond or something?
Yeah, like a
real
baby
white
blue.
Baby blue.
Yeah, it really changes as far as at night. It really looks white. You know what? For a stock engine, I'll tell you what, it's pretty clean under there.
Yeah, it is.
Check out the top of the inner fenders, the paint job on here. The paint job's old too, but you look everywhere. It's just nice still. I bet the paint job's probably 25, 30 years old. And look at the quality still under the hood. Motor conditions nice and clean. It's got working air conditioning. It's got the fan shroud, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes.
Yeah, drilled and slotted rotors too.
I think they're Willwoods.
Yep.
Couple things we want to point out. So a really cool car, rust-free undercarriage. You won't find a solider 68 Fastback around, period, underneath. We're going to keep this in a nice driver quality price range. So there's going to be a few things that need to be done. It's got some stress cracks right here. It's got a little ding right here, and it's missing a clip. So that is an issue here.
A little paint crack there.
Couple tiny little paint chips, just here and there. Back of the hood lines up awesome, both sides. Really nice, all the way across the back. Top of the fenders, top of the door lines up great. When we get a 70-some thousand actual mile car, you're gonna find awesome gaps, great lines, and rust-free undercarriage if they've been taken care of.
Now
check out the wheels too. It's got beautiful Riddler wheels. I'm sorry, Rocker wheels. And I said they're Willwood, they're not. They're SBC brakes, but they are drilled and slotted rotors.
Yeah.
Very nice looking wheels. As far as the tire size goes, we have so many letters on those things, it's hard to read.
I know.
Okay, here we go. 235, 45, 18s.
Yeah, they look so sharp on this car.
The trim, the bumpers, all that stuff is original on the car. Very presentable, and it's all been cleaned up really good, but there is some scratches, scuffs, little dings. Right here, a couple little chips. Look at that though, bare metal. I mean, this car has not been painted too many times.
Yeah, look how straight and solid this thing is.
It's sweet. Top of the door lines up great. All the way down. We do have some little surface rust specks here, and they're just rock chips. They're rust free as far as the metal and everything goes, but anytime you have a little chip to bare metal, especially on a light colored yellow, light blue, white, that road dust really comes up on there. Rocker panel as we go back here, all the way through to the back of the door lines up 100% perfect. As we look over the roof, no dings, dents there. Listen how quiet it is too. I mean, we're able to be out here talking. It's not obnoxious. And as we talk here, we did say it just has a little bit of a smoke to it, but as we come out the back, there's nothing. Just when you rev it up. Up and down the sides, a couple little minor scratches, but overall just a fantastic car. Around the back glass is good. We do have a little clear coat peeling right here, just a little bit right in this area. It's got some Sony 6x9s in the back. Now as we open up the doors, door jambs are nice and clean.
The original interior on this thing.
It almost looks like original door jambs. You see that? It is. Yep. I'm really sure that it is. It's had one repaint. You see how that's kind of base clear, and this is kind of the just a little bit lighter. That's the original paint there. As we come in here, Got a little bit of rust right here in this very corner of the door on the inside. Outside, there's not. Inside of the fender is perfect. The rubbers and felts are original. All original door rubbers, original paint in the jams. You can tell that by just how hard they are here. Definitely original. Interior original. Carpets original. I mean, what a time capsule. You can see the carpet's just a little thin right here, and you can see a couple stains here. Even though we shampooed it, we just couldn't get it out. Seat belts for 3 in the back. The back seat is excellent. No rips or tears.
Seem like original, like.
Yeah, all window felts are original. Roof rail rubbers are original as well. Door panels in the back are great. Armrests are nice. Seat belts all the way around. Again, a little more fading in the carpet right here. Dash pad, 71,000 original miles, is not cracked up or swelled up. Very nice. Original steering wheel has some cracks in it. As far as our gauges, 71,855 miles. Gas gauge works, temp, and all that are just regular lights. Air conditioning kicks in. Dome light works. It's got a digital radio. Really pretty good stereo. That was on the AM side. Headliner's in excellent shape. Still has the starting instructions on a cold and warm. Cool. Back shelf has a few little scuffs in the blue. What a nice car. The more I go around this one, Dalton, I just absolutely love it.
I do too. I really like the Fastback version of these Fairlanes.
So again, as we go around here, a couple more little chips here and here, little paint chips, little scuff here and there. Scuff in the clear coat. We didn't buff this one or anything. We just got it in and gave it a good wash. Jay spends freaking probably 45 minutes a wheel and just polish these babies. I mean, they look brand new, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
Again, no bubbles, no blisters, no issues anywhere down here. Rocker panel, bottom of the door, fits perfect. Again, a few little scratches, just getting in and out with your feet, but the bottom of the door here lines up perfect, rocker, everything.
And the undercarriage tells the story on this car. You know, all original metal, still see some red oxy primer. Original rubbers, I mean, and go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. I'll put the link in the comments of this video. It'll take you right to this car where you can check out all the undercarriage photos, a bunch more details.
Bottom corner of the door, perfect. Original paint. Got your original codes here. 63B, N is your color, 5B is your interior trim.
Original door panel.
Check that out, just the fading of the sun and your arm out there. Got some, you know, that is pretty much gone. Here's another thing, not much wear at all in the passenger seat. This guy drove by himself. He kind of was a loner, I think, from new. Look at that though. Look at the original door panel on the passenger side. How that's not wore off at all. Even the paint on there isn't nearly as bad. And this, you know what I mean? This is just kind of worn down a little bit.
A little seam split there.
Yep. And it's right on the seam. See it?
Yep.
And the materials here, look at that. All you have to do is just resew that. That'll be fine. I definitely wouldn't replace that at all. I shouldn't have said the original owner was kind of, that was a loner. That probably wasn't nice to say. But I meant to say he drove alone a lot, right?
Yeah,
is that better?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at this.
I know, that's pretty sweet. Cold engine warm, turn key down, position press on, corner away. I like this. We should take a picture of this and send to some of our customers that don't have the experience of carburetor.
Yeah.
How about that? Just taking it from park to drive, everything seems nice and tight, didn't jump in, or idle's not too high. Really like that a lot. Power steering, same thing. Nice and smooth. This ain't gonna be a powerhouse car, it's just a little 302, probably still a 2-barrel. Still has a 2-barrel sticker on the
Air cleaner?
yeah. It's a little early in the morning for me.
Yeah, no, it is a little early.
Nice and quiet inside, isn't it?
Yeah.
One thing it's gonna need, you guys, is the rear view mirror drops a little bit. So That's kind of neat. Brakes work perfect. Obviously, you got 4-wheel disc brakes. Nice stop. Not power, but just 4-wheel disc.
This is a super cool looking car. I remember seeing like Justin take it for test drives and stuff from my office. I'm like, damn, that thing is really good looking.
Yeah, it is a sweet car. It's 55, 60 right down the road, no hands on the wheel. Doesn't need an alignment, really doesn't need anything, just a fantastic car. Again, the worst part about this whole entire car is a couple chips, and like I said, the engine as far as runs and drives great down the road, but does smoke and has a little bit of oil smell to it. Just burn a little oil.
Yeah, awesome car.
Speedometer works perfectly accurate.
Wipers work. Check this thing out on our website, coyoteclassics.com. If you're interested, give us a call. We can help you with financing, arrange shipping, make this little Fairlane yours.